Hello friends, let us take the topic the decision making process. Basically there are four stages. First is intelligent phase of decision making process, second is the design phase, third is the choice phase, and fourth is the implementation phase. So these are the four stages of decision making process. First, first is intelligence phase. In intelligence phase, actually the problem discovery is designed. Now, first we understand what is the problem. So here in the intelligence phase, the problem is important to understand the problem. Second phase is comes is of the design phase. Design phase is actually gives you what are the possible solutions. These are five different kind of solutions which can be used for solving this problem. Third is selecting of the solution, choosing what kind of solution. Now this was solution number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are five solutions to a problem. Now we have to select. Say for example, I have chosen the first choice. My first choice is for the solution, and fourth stage is that we have, is the solution working, can we make the better out of it. We have to analyze whether the choice which we selected is perfect or wrong. If there is some changes has to be made or some work has to be done, then we can actually work on it. So these are nothing but the stages in decision making. Now phases of decision making process. In intelligent phase, what we do, we define the problem, we gather the data about the problem, and we define the constraint also. As far as the decision phase is concerned, we find out different alternatives which can be used for providing the decision on that context, right? Third, we design the choice. What are the choices which can be done for that decision? We determine among the 4, 5, 7 different choices which is the perfect choice. Means selecting of an alternative. And fifth stage is of implementation. Then we decide whether the decision which we took is correct or wrong, or there are some inputs required. So typical inputs and outputs. So information from the TPS, that is transaction processing system, are taken in the form of inputs. Now what are the outputs? We prepare schedule reports. These are computer generated reports by taking the data entry from the end users who are actually using in the company. Say for example, receptionist. 100 people are coming in the company. So here receptionist will enter the name of 100 people. Now what kind of report? How many males came? How many females came? How many corporates came? So these are nothing but the scheduled reports, or specific customized reports we can generate from MIS on demand. Say for example, how many males were from the age group of 18 to 24. This is the more customized report. What are the key indicators? Business fundamental key indicators. Few are exceptional reports we generate. So these are actually four kind of outputs. These are typical inputs and outputs in decision making process of MIS. So here, what is the MIS support in decision making process? Now, functional perspectives of MIS. First, let us understand, as far as the financial MIS is concerned, the first function, if we consider, that is related to the Department of Finance, that will integrate information from multiple sources. Costing means what are the cost cutting measures which we can take in designing the same product. For example, if you are designing the product for 5 rupees, how we can design for 4.5 rupees or 4 rupees, how we can design that. So costing technique will be helpful here. P&L, that is profit and loss reporting. How much profit our company is running. Say for example, last year 8 lakh rupees profit was generated. Now how we can generate to 10 lakh rupees. So these all factors will be MIS will be given. We'll be doing audit also. If there is some fraud in our company, whether wrong entries are being made or someone has made use of wrong use of the funds has been made. So basically auditing process can also be there. Then the funds management process. Funds management means it will also help us in maintaining the cash flows, whether the cash is going much out or cash is coming in, and how is the balance maintained between the cash flows. Basically it will help us in the fund management, whether how much money we are investing, we are getting that much output or not. So basically this MIS is going to help us in financial MIS also. Right, we'll be looking in the next slide how manufacturing department MIS is going to support us.